Welcome to our class. Today, I want to introduce a function of the program of Visual Paradigm. Uh, a few months ago, I already introduced this program, but I want to uh, explain some function of this program because this program has many valuable functions. Uh, Today, I want to a function of this program called round trip engineering. Round trip means if we have a source code, then we can make some UML class model based on the original source code, and then we can make update this UML data from Java. So we can round trip between original source code and uh, unified modeling language models. So we can call this round trip. Yes, let's see how to use this round trip engineering. Visual Paradigm already post its tutorial for this function. Yes, it's this page is for the Java round trip engineering. Uh, it explains this like this. Visual Paradigm supports generating Java source code from UML class. UML means unified modeling language. Modeling language means the visualizing, making some program when we make a program. So we can access the whole programming process, and we can see the whole process with this visual screen. So this UML language increases the convenience of programming. Yes, and from UML class model and keeping source code and UML model synchronized. Yes, this synchronizing means the code, this uh, there uh, there can be useful relations between source code and this UML model. UML model means we can understand it as a understandable or easy drawing or visualization. Yes, I think it is easier to see something by eyes rather than thinking about in our memory. Yes, they say seeing is believing. Yes, and uh, this introduce itself through the Java round trip engineering feature. Yes, this tutorial we will be given a project file and try to generate Java code from it. Yes, this explains its function from converting mother to source code. Java source code means a programming language generated by Java grammar using Java grammar, and then making change in code. When you change the code, and this will cause changing the UML class model also. Yes, this means updating from the source code to the UML model. If I click on this source code, yes, we need to find the source code first. Overview, yes. Download employee.vpp. This is the file for Visual Paradigm. Yes, Visual Paradigm. Yes. If I click on this, this employee VPP downloaded. If I click, I will save I'll save this file into my desktop. Yes. Wait a moment. If I click on this, wait a moment. If I click on this, then this link automatically download, automatically starts to download to my computer. And if I click on click on this show the folder, then this employee.vpp already downloaded in my download folder. I will move this data file to my desktop, and so I'll copy this. I hit Control C, and again I will paste this. Wait a moment. Wow, wait a moment. Paste this. Wow, where is the? Again, I will go to the download folder, and I will reorganize this, and I copy this, and again I will paste this on this my desktop, and click on this. Then this Visual Paradigm, select pop-ups a window workspace launcher. This means where do you want to work with this file. So I will generate a test folder, test JKV, like this, and then this test JKV folder will be yes, already generated. Okay. Yes, in this employee.vpp file, there is this information: person, employee, and department. We can imagine that there is a business company, and the company can have many departments, and in that department there can be employees, and one of them is a person, and the person can have a name and age and address. These each entities, these each entities are a class, and in this each class there is some attribute. This department class has two attributes: department ID and the name of department. And in this employee class has two attributes such as employee ID and role. And this variable is the type of string. And in this person class, there is three attributes, and these two, name and address, is the type of string. This S starts with an uppercase yes, and age is a variable for the employee, not this case the person, and this is a type of integer. We write this int. This means integer value. Yes, just like 1, 2, 3, like that, without a decimal point. When a value have a decimal point, then we call it float value. Float means having some fractions. Yes, this is the process of seeing what is the class mother. Yes. Let's continue to see the how to generate code from this. Yes. Oh, I've already reached the setting time. So, I want to see you next time. Thanks for watching.